80 years ago today, the United Kingdom and its allies from around the globe celebrated VE Day, the end of war in Europe. Today, as we come together to commemorate what came to be known as VE Day, our thoughts turn to thanksgiving and remembrance of those millions that gave so much to achieve the freedom that we enjoy today. We remember those we lost, those who were wounded or scarred, those whose lives were forever changed by war. Nobody was immune from the impact of that terrible conflict. Let us pause to remember their sacrifice. We reflect too upon the words of our late and glorious Queen Elizabeth. Never give up, never despair. And so we offer thanksgiving for the selflessness of those who gave up so much in order that future generations should enjoy the blessings of freedom, democracy, and peace. God save the King.